Heartdeco lovers, we are back with another Heartdeco Wonders video, and today we are unboxing and assembling the 3-tire rolling cart storage trolley. So today we are going to show you how to assemble this product, how you use it around the house, and most importantly, how you need to use this product. It comes in a plastic just to protect the product, and it also comes with tools that you'll need to assemble the product, as well as the manual on how you will assemble the product. So stay tuned in this video to know more about how to assemble the product. So it's important to know why and how the products are named so you can attach easily to each other, and you'll know this according to the manual. This is called A. The handles are called B. The pillars are called C. These are called D. These are called E. And the wheels and the spanners are called G. And these little screws are called number 1. And the long screws are called number 2. So it's important to have out all the tools assembled right next to you, including the manual, so it's easy to be able to put the tools according to what you need. Now, what you see in the video is me attaching the handles, which is B, to number 2, and then we push in and install it with E. So as you can see, the handle, it has E pushed in through 2, and then we'll be pushing it into A. E pushed in through 2, and then we'll be pushing it into A. And then you'll do that twice because there's 2 handles. And what you see next is me pushing in the handles. Once it's done, we push it into A. And then once it's done, we push in the pillars, which are letter C. So we push in the pillars, and remember we did this 4 times because each letter A has 4 pillar holes to place in the pillars on. And remember, we'll be doing this 8 times. So once you're done, your pillar will then look like this before we move on to the next tire, which is the second pillar. So after you make sure that your pillars are sturdy on the cart, you will be repeating the process by taking A, attaching it to number 1, and attaching the pillar C. So we take A. We'll be doing this 4 times. So by now your trolley should be looking a bit like this, and we are almost done. You're just bringing on the C's to the second A's. Make sure it's sturdy. attach our wheels, and then we are done. As you can see, the 3-tire rolling cart storage trolley is very easy to assemble, and you can use it anywhere around the house, including welcome drinks for friends, near the front door, the bathroom, anywhere you can store anything that you please in your house. Don't forget that you can get it at www.heartdeco.co.za. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.